There are two bolts over here, one over here, and there is another one over here. You have to remove those bolts in order to the brakes. This one is hard, so you have to use power because it is very rusty too. Let me finish removing this bolt and I'll show you the next step. After you have removed all the screws, this one and the one under here, then you use a hammer. Remember to find something to hold this one in place, because this pipe